Welcome everybody. How you guys doing today? So today I'm gonna show you how to make a subwoofer. Okay, we're gonna make 12-inch diameter. We're gonna make three of them inside the box, so you can put a speaker inside. Okay. Now, without further ado, let's go to a Mastercam 9 now and do that. Okay, let's go to main menu. Go and click on Create. Now we're gonna click on F9 first. Go ahead, I'm going to click on rectangle. We're going to use 1 point. Now on the width right here, we're going to use 40 inches. And the height, we're going to use 20. Okay. Then we're going to click OK here. Then we're going to put in the middle. Okay. So now we're going to go back to main menu. We're going to go over here and click on Create. And we're going to select a line. And we're going to select on parallel. And then select on side distance. Okay. We're going to put from this line right here to the right 1 inch all around. Okay. Okay, go ahead and click on this line and click onto the right. We're gonna put 1 inch on there and click enter. And we're gonna use the from the top right here to the bottom and click enter. Then we're gonna use on this right side right here to the left side, click enter. And from the bottom to the top and click enter. Okay, so we have this line already. Now we're gonna make our box 12 inches. Three of them is gonna be 12 inches, so it's gonna be 12-inch diameter. So before we do that, we're gonna have to split this line in half, top to bottom, and from side to side. Okay. Now let's go to create again. We're gonna go to line and side distance. We're gonna use from right here, this line right here to here. Now then if this is the 40, go ahead and put 20. So we're gonna make in the center right here. Now we're gonna do one more time from right here to the middle here. So we got 20, so we're gonna do 10. Okay. Go ahead and click create. Then click on line. We're gonna use parallel and side distance. We're gonna click from right here to the middle here. We're gonna put on 10. Okay. Okay, that's inside right here. Okay, now we're gonna do this line, 12 inches. We're gonna make a line to 12 inches right in the middle here. Okay, let's click on this line right here. Go to the right. We're gonna put 12 inches. Okay, we got this line right here. So we got one more from right here to the left side, 12 inches right here. So now we have to make our circle. We're gonna go click on create. Gonna click on arc. We're gonna circle point diameter right here. So we're gonna use 12 inch. Okay, click on there, and we're gonna put this in the middle. Okay, we're gonna put it in the middle here, and right here. Gonna line it up right here a little bit here. Okay. Then we're gonna click one right here, one more here in the middle. Okay. All right. Look like we got this one right here. And click escape. That's all lined up. Okay. Now just go on top right here. Go ahead and click and delete on the line. We got one right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So we got all this circle right here lined up, 12 inches diameter. Okay, now let's go back to our main menu. We're gonna do some chamfer right here. Okay, we're gonna do all four corners here. We're gonna make a chamfer. Okay, let's just make a 6-inch chamfer. Okay, let's go to create and then click on next menu. Then select chamfer. Then this right here is gonna use one distance right here, right? So we're gonna put 6 inches right here. Okay, then we're gonna click OK. We're gonna select on this line right here and this line right here. Okay, let's go. That's how it looks. Gonna do four corner here. And one more. Okay, that's how it looks, guys. Now we're gonna go to a toolpath and we're gonna make it a pocket through this right here. Okay, we're gonna cut all the way through. Okay, so there's a pocket and we're gonna make a speaker box. Okay, we're gonna cut all the way through here, right? Make a hole here, right here. Okay, let's go to create and we're gonna click on tool. Okay, go and click on toolpath and we're gonna use pocket. Okay, And we're going to click on change here. And we're going to run in the middle right here, inside here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then we click done. Okay. Come back over here to a tool library. We're going to use a 1/4" flat end mill. That's going to be a tool number 235. Okay. Go right click, get a tool from a tool library. Go and scroll down to tool number 235. You can find one. It's right here. Go and select that and click OK. And it says right here, tool number 1, a 1/4" flat, 1/4" diameter. So we're going to put right here, we're going to feed rate, plunge rate, retractive rate. We're going to go ahead and put 9.0 on there. Okay. 9.0. And then the spindle speed, we're going to change it to 2,000. And then, of course, we're going to have to turn the coolant on. Okay. And then right here, we're going to put rough pocket. Okay. Rough pocket. Okay, let's go to the top right here, say pocket parameters. Go and select on clearance 2.0, and we're going to use the stock material. We're going to put 0.75. We're using 3/4. Okay. And then on the depth right here, of course, we're going to cut all the way through. Go ahead and put negative 0.75. Okay, on a tip right here, tip com, we're going to use center. And then sharp right here, we're going to put none. Okay. Now we're going to go to roughing, finishing parameter. We're going to use a true spiral because we're going to cut from inside to outside. Okay, spiral from inside to outside. And then right here, cut a comb, we're just going to go ahead and use wear. Okay, then go and click OK. That's how it looks right here. And go ahead and go to contour right here on the left side and click on change right here. We're going to cut this box out. Okay, we're going to cut it out right here. And then click done. And this is our tool library. Go ahead and right click again. Get a tool from our tool library. And this time we're going to use a 239 flat inch end mill, okay, which is a 1/2 inch flat end mill. Let's go to 239, scroll down until you find it. It's right here, 239, 1/2 inch flat end mill. Go ahead and click OK. It says right here, tool number 2, tool name, and diameter, right? So we're going to change right here to a 7.0. Okay, plunge rate 7.0. And of course, the retracted rate going to be 7.0. Then for speed spindle, we're going to go ahead and change it to 2,000. And of course, go ahead, going to change the coolant, turn it on. And right here, we can put finish pad, okay? Okay, let's go over here and click OK. That's what it looks like right here. Now let's go to an operation. Let's see how it looks. Okay, go ahead and select all and verify. Okay, and click start button. That's 2, and that's 3. Okay, that's how it looks. Just don't forget one more that when you make one part right here, don't forget to make the back part. You don't have to do this diameter right here. Just cut the same side of this part on the front right here, so you can put on the side on the back of it. Okay, so that's what we do in Chamfer. Now let's go over here, go to a tool setup. Go and click on tool setup right here. Okay, so on this 40, we're gonna have click on 40. Put on 40 right here. Okay, we got a X is 40 and Y is 20. Okay, right here, let's see. And then the Z, go ahead and use 10 and just see how it looks. Okay, and check mark OK here. And go ahead unzoom. Okay, see how it looks right here. Okay, let's see an isometric. Okay, and go ahead and put the screen here and unzoom. That's how it looks, guys. That's what it's supposed to look like, as you see from top to bottom and side to side. So that's all it is, guys. This is how you do the subwoofer, and you make this 12-inch diameter. I mean, and another way you can do it, you can, you make two, speaker box. Okay, you can put a 15 inches diameter here. You make two rounds over. You put a 15-inch speaker in there. Okay, either or, it works fine. But this is how you make a subwoofer. Okay, guys. And other than that, that's all I have for today. And I hope you guys like this video. And if you do, please like and share. And if you know someone that want to learn, how to program this Mastercam, please let them know. Share my link to them so they can learn from it. And other than that, that's all I have. Please subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any comment, please list below. I will get back to that. And other than that, I talk to you later. See you later. And I hope you see you next time. Okay? That's all I have for today. And you guys have a great night. Bye bye.